I just broke the dump valve on my pressure washing trailer for the second time. Let's replace it and make sure this never happens again.
Jeez, boys, I cut myself crazy there.
So basically I'm gonna take this off, put this downspout on the new one, and then put this stainless steel one that should never break. So that is what we are going to be doing. So I'm about to strap y'all in and let's get going.
Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, now y'all can see each other. Yo, what's going on, Felipe? Welcome in, brother. Just getting this camera rolling before we get started here. So what I'm gonna do is try and dump the rest of this water out of here so it just pours out, and then we'll go from there without trying to cut my finger here. So I'm gonna open this up. Basically, this one is metal, more secure, and should never crack. What do I need? Okay, I got this one and this one. Then I need some thread. Okay, this should be all we need right here. These two bad boys. I might be able to do it by hand. I just don't really want to crack it. Oh yeah, I could do it by hand. Nice. Perfect. No need for it then. Okay, and then let's just double check this will work on the on this other one that we're going to be installing. So off. Okay, that's open. That's off. I'm just trying to see where we'll have to have it. So it'll be right here, and then that'll be open, and that's, yeah, that's open, that's off. Okay. And then we'll Teflon this, and let's just make sure these threads work. Okay, I think it'll work. Okay, cool. So let's strip this of this, what's going on, Craig? Fellow washer from San Antonio, let's go. Shout out to Woody Soft Wash, brother. Heck yeah, man, I appreciate you stopping in here. Okay, this doesn't have to be perfect. We got a lot of the old thread off, so that'll clear up these threads to be able to be rewrapped. Okay, so let's wrap this. Kind of in a rush because Lauren needs a car, so I need to get this done. If I had like a nicer banjo ball valve, maybe I could have, it would have lasted a lot longer, but with these, I got these from Home Depot, you know what I mean? So they're not, it's not really meant for this, especially the sun and the weather. But okay, so we're gonna do it like this. So this needs to be installed as best as we can, like this. I don't need it perfect, but I do need it. Need it down. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Just back off of here. Okay, there we go. Let's put this over here. All the water's out now. Maybe I could do this by hand too. Yes. Let's go, boys. I was actually worried that I was going to struggle with getting these on and off. So this one's getting chalked, and we'll install this new one. But let me get these threads off of here first. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go, boys. Look at that. All at once too. Nice. Nothing on the threads anymore. We got the big old chunk off. Let's go. Okay, so let's rethread this now. That should be plenty. Okay, so let's get this on. Okay, we got to be careful because we don't want to crack anything. So just need it tight enough. Let's see if I can hold this. Get one more good turn on this sucker. Oh, I might have went too far. Come on, Betsy. Okay, that's pretty tight. There we go. There we go. Okay, I just need it to right there. That should be perfect. This is nice. That, boom. Like, anybody can use that easily now. So my girl was having trouble opening and closing this, and I was having to go do it for her. So now she'll be able to do that one as well too. So that was pretty easy, boys.
Appreciate anybody that caught this video, and catch us on the next job, everybody. Peace.